Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to make music with AI in seconds using Suno AI Chirp. In this guide, we'll explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence and music creation, showing you how to harness the power of Suno AI Chirp to compose your own unique tunes effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned musician or a complete novice, this tutorial will walk you through the process of creating beautiful music with just a few simple steps. So let's dive in and unleash your creativity. Number 1. Understanding Suno AI Chirp. Suno AI Chirp is an innovative AI-powered music composition tool that utilizes cutting-edge machine learning algorithms to generate original music compositions in seconds. It offers users a wide range of musical styles, genres, and moods to choose from, allowing for endless possibilities in music creation. Suno AI Chirp leverages the latest advancements in AI technology to analyze music patterns, harmonies, and melodies, producing high-quality compositions that sound natural and authentic. Number 2. Getting started with Suno AI Chirp. To begin creating music with Suno AI Chirp, simply visit the Suno AI website or download the Suno AI Chirp app from your preferred app store. Once installed, open the app and explore the various music styles and genres available. You can choose from options such as classical, jazz, pop, electronic, and more. Select a style that resonates with you and get ready to embark on your musical journey. Number 3. Creating your first composition. Once you've selected a music style, it's time to start creating your first composition. Suno AI Chirp provides a user-friendly interface with intuitive controls, making it easy to customize your music to your liking. You can adjust parameters such as tempo, key, and mood to fine-tune your composition and make it truly unique. Experiment with different settings until you find the perfect combination that matches your vision. Number 4. Exploring advanced features. In addition to its basic composition tools, Suno AI Chirp also offers a range of advanced features for more experienced users. These include options for adding instrument tracks, incorporating vocal samples, and layering multiple melodies and harmonies. You can also experiment with effects such as reverb, delay, and modulation to enhance your composition further. Take your music to the next level by exploring these advanced features and unlocking new creative possibilities. Number 5. Saving and sharing your composition. Once you're satisfied with your composition, it's time to save and share your masterpiece with the world. Suno AI Chirp allows you to export your music in various formats, including MP3, WAV, and MIDI, making it easy to share your creation on social media, streaming platforms, or with friends and collaborators. You can also save your composition to your device for future reference or further editing. With Suno AI Chirp, sharing your music with the world has never been easier. Number 6. Collaborating with Suno AI Chirp. One of the exciting features of Suno AI Chirp is its ability to facilitate collaboration among musicians. With Suno AI Chirp, you can easily share your compositions with other users and invite them to collaborate on new projects. Number 7. Personalizing your music with Suno AI Chirp. While Suno AI Chirp offers a wide range of pre-made music styles and genres, you also have the option to personalize your compositions to reflect your unique style and preferences. Suno AI Chirp allows you to customize various aspects of your music, including instrumentation, arrangement, and dynamics, giving you full control over the final outcome. In conclusion, Suno AI Chirp is a revolutionary tool that empowers users to unleash their creativity and make music with AI in seconds. Whether you're a professional musician, a hobbyist, or simply curious about the intersection of technology and music, Suno AI Chirp offers something for everyone. With its intuitive interface, advanced features, and endless possibilities for customization, Suno AI Chirp is poised to revolutionize the way we create and experience music. So why wait? Download Suno AI Chirp today and start making beautiful music effortlessly. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates.